All right, welcome back. Yesterday we went through a lot of vocabulary. Today won't be as much, but still pay attention and make sure you're with me. We're going to go through just some important points on our globe that we might see and different names that you might have heard before or you might hear in the future. So our first word here is Arctic Circle. Say Arctic Circle. Very good. So I want you to take a look at this map here. This is an important line of latitude at the 66 degree north point. So look at this number right here, 66, and then there's a little circle next to it. Oops. That little circle means degree. So say degree. Good. Anywhere you see those numbers, especially on our globe and on coordinate maps, you are going to see degree. And degree is that little circle there. So this is saying it's at 66 degrees north. And if you look at the red circle, it's kind of going around the North Pole. So the very northernmost point of our Earth. And the Arctic Circle, that's just, of course, we know it's very cold up there, and this line helps us understand where the Arctic Circle is. Next, say Antarctic Circle. Good. So now if we were to kind of flip our globe upside down and we're looking at the very bottom of it now. So this is an important line of latitude at the 66 degrees south. So the very, very opposite of what we looked at the top. This is the bottom surrounding Antarctica in our southern pole. So the red line there shows that 66 degree south. Say Tropic of Cancer. Good. This is an important line of latitude at 23.5. Do you remember what this stands for, that little circle? Degrees, at 23.5 degrees north. And if you look on here, our Tropic of Cancer is right above our equator. On the flip side of that, say Tropic of Capricorn. Good. This is an important line of latitude at 23.5 degrees south, so right below that equator there. Okay, so we have our equator, which cuts our Earth in half, and then our other two lines right above and right below. Next, say time zone. Very good. So time zones, what time is it in a particular area? Did you know that when we are in the United States, you could be at different states in our country and it could be a different time? Crazy, I know. So for example, let's look at our map here. We live in Michigan, so we are right here, we are purple. During our time, we call it the Eastern time zone. If it's 7 a.m., maybe you wake up at 7 a.m. In another time zone, it's 6 a.m. And in another time zone, it's 5 a.m. And in another time zone, it's 4 a.m. All right, so like over in California, when we wake up at 7 a.m., it's still 4 a.m. in California. And what's even crazier, in other countries, in other continents, in our other part of the world, it can be a completely different time as well. So for example, in Michigan, we're purple right here at 7 a.m. In, let's see, Australia, in this part of Australia right here, the front part is 8 p.m. So when we're waking up in the morning, it's already 8 p.m. for them. So that's nighttime almost. That is crazy. So this is just the world time zone map to show that we are in different time zones all over the world. International dateline. Go ahead and say International dateline. Good. This is an imaginary line on the map that shows the boundary between one day and the next day. So this line here and this line over here, when you go all the way across, that's the 1 day, and that means that it's going to start a new day with new times, of course. All right, that is all the vocabulary I have for you today. Make sure you watch your other instructional videos, and we will see you later. Good luck.